Hello. Our weather this week will have a very different flavour compared with our weather last week. The relative calm now swept away by strong northwesterly winds. And if we follow those winds all the way back, well, we get to northern Canada, where the air is bitterly cold. Now, of course, on its journey across the Atlantic towards us, that bitterly cold air moves over the Atlantic. And by comparison, the Atlantic is like a warm bath. But the temperature contrast between the warm Atlantic and the cold Canadian air leads to deep instability, rising thermals that result in towering cumulus and cumulonimbus shower clouds. And by Tuesday night, the air will be cold enough such that even across southern parts of Britain, we could see a snow shower. But given the hit and miss nature of showers, well, amounts will be very variable, and southern areas are likely to see very little snowfall, whilst it's northern parts of Britain that really will bear the brunt of any accumulating snowfall. The mountains of Wales and northern England likely to see several centimetres of snowfall building up, and across Scottish and Northern Irish mountains we could see more than 10 centimetres accumulating. Accompanying these snow showers, frequent lightning strikes across northwestern Britain and strong winds could lead to drifting snow across Scotland and the mountains of northern England. Now, not only have we got strong winds at lower levels, we've also got a very active jet stream. This fast-flowing current of air high in the sky will tend to pick up an area of low pressure during Wednesday and hurl it our way by Wednesday night. And this will lead to a period of very strong winds across parts of the UK, with the risk of 70 or even 80 mile-per-hour gusts in places. But a lot depends on the depth and the track that that low takes, and there's a little bit of uncertainty at the moment in terms of that. It also could lead to a spell of snow on the northern flank of that low as it moves into cold air. But given the uncertainty, details will change over the next day or so, and it's always worth paying close attention to any Met Office weather warnings through our website, through our app, and by following us through social media.